guys, welcome to the aftermarket report by niftinayak.com and I am Vinayak. In this program, I will be talking about what happened in today's market and what might happen in the coming days so that you can be prepared for whatever trading you have been doing. Now let us see what happened to the market. Yesterday, markets shot up 200 points from intraday low to high, and today it fell 200 points from high to low. And this market has been very volatile, not just now, it's been volatile from few months now. And not only our markets, even the US markets. One day the Nasdaq fell as if IT is going to crash. The next day, all IT recovered and Nasdaq recovered most of its losses. So the markets are very volatile, and now there is fear of inflation and the problems which are happening in China. Okay, I told clearly in my blogs that you should keep an eye on crude and dollar. Crude is making new highs, and dollar today has shot up 50 paisa. See, whenever there is uncertainty in the market, these money will be moving to safe havens like gold, dollar, and other things. So, dollar, gold, crude oil, these all will shoot up whenever there is uncertainty in the market. So, that is what happened, and now markets have fallen. Okay, so we are almost at the all-time high near. So, today we were just around 100 points away from the all-time high. From there, we corrected. And whenever markets are near all-time high, there will be some jittery and there will be some profit booking and other things. So, is this the time to short the market? I wouldn't do that. I will wait for the 20 DMA to be broken convincingly on the lower side. So, now the 20-day moving average is somewhere around 17,600. So, if tomorrow or day after tomorrow, if markets close below the 20-day moving average, then probably you can initiate short trades. Okay, and I had a trend line which I had drawn from Nifty from 16,000 to day before yesterday's rate, and I also told that if the markets get into the rally, then it is the time for you to go long also. Okay, so now we are in a zone where it is not easy to even go long and it is not easy to even go short. See, in trading, you always trade only when you are sure. Okay, you trade aggressively only when you are sure. You need not be a part of every party. You can't be a part of every party. You just have to make sure that the party what you attend is good enough. Okay, now Reliance, yesterday it was the flag bearer. It took Nifty higher because of crude oil increase and some relief which government gave to the telecom sector. Today, Reliance has been one of the flag bearer in taking Nifty down. Okay, it has lost more than what it gained yesterday. And Moody's has upgraded India. It had negative view on India. I don't know using what they come out with these views, but now they are telling that India is stable. And from my past experience, what I have seen is whenever Moody tells India is performing well, markets will fall, and whenever they tell India is not performing, markets will rally. Even in my today morning blog, I told that. Okay, but whatever. Now the China issue is continuing. There is shortage of power, there is shortage of coal, and the problem with China is being a communist country, you don't know what is happening there until they tell you. The press is not as free as it is in other democratic countries. So you never know what is happening. If you know 1% of what is happening is in China, there will be 99% of the things what we will not be knowing. So it is very uncertain during these times. Now, because of unlock happening, the travel companies, entertainment companies like PVR, IRCTC, they are all shooting up. So even today they have shot up. ONGC, being as the crude oil prices are increasing, even that is shooting up. So now we are in the result season. So IT will be coming out with their result, and it is expected that they will be coming out with wonderful results. So let us see. I already have a trade in Mindtree, which I had shared in my Twitter, Facebook, and other channels. So let's see, if I get an opportunity, probably I may take a trade even in TCS or Infosys, either of them. Okay. And whenever I take the trade, I will be either doing a live trade or I will share the trades in my social media accounts. So that's all I had for today. So let's see what will happen to the market. Will we get support at 20 DMA or will we continue to fall? We'll come to know in few days. Thank you guys. I hope you guys like the video. Do like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.